Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Sangeeta's Cakes and More. So today we are going to make a very tasty sweet which is til rolls. So let's start with it. So I am taking around 200 grams of til which I will roast now. It will take around 5 to 10 minutes on low flame to roast them. Once they are roasted, we'll keep them aside to cool. I have taken around 150 grams of mawa which I have already grated, and now I will roast it very lightly so it leaves its oil, its ghee in the pan. It will again take 5 to 10 minutes to roast it, again on slow flame. It takes hardly 5-6 minutes, maximum of 10 minutes to roast. For 200 grams of til, we have taken 150 grams of mawa. Once it's roasted, we will crush our cool down til and add to this. Now you can see mawa has released ghee on the sides of my pan. Now I will add 100 grams of gur, jaggery. I have grated, and it will take 3-4 minutes to melt with the mawa and blend with it. You need to keep your flame very low, because if it is on high flame it will burn. Jaggery and mawa is about to mix. Another 1 minute. Now you can see my jaggery and mawa is thoroughly mixed, gelled in each other. Now I will add my grated til. I have grated in the blender, and I have kept very small amount of til for the later garnishing. Now I will add it and make a dough out of it. Here I am going to switch off my flame because my til are already roasted. Simultaneously I'll add 1 spoon of elaichi to this. Instead of gur, you can use sugar also in the same amount, but gur seems to be more healthy, so I use gur for this til gur roll. We need to cool down this dough for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Till the time it's little colder, we can roll it. Now we have to roll it. Meanwhile, I have taken a handful of pistachios which I have grated for the filling. Now you can see the dough, it's still warm. I would prefer to cool it nicely so that we can roll it, but don't make it completely cool. It should be lightly warm till the time we work. I have taken a foil and I will use a rolling pin to flatten it. Now you can see I have rolled it, and it is something around 4 to 5 mm thick. You can even take a plastic cling foil or a plastic thick sheet for this also. I am using foil paper. You can use plastic sheet also for this, but it should be nicely cool before you start working or rolling this. Now I will add my pistachio to this. A generous amount of pistachio. This is handful of pistachio which I already grated. I'll spread it till the end, and then I will start rolling this til and jaggery. You need very soft hands to roll this. and simultaneously keep adding till to this. Keep rolling it with very soft hands and simultaneously adding this till to this. This will give a crunchy taste and mawa will give a very soft taste to this. At this point, you can keep it in the refrigerator for 5 to 10 minutes. So when we cut this roll, it is good enough to hold. So my roll is quite cool now. I am cutting it. You can use a sharp knife, or this is the easiest way of using a thread and cutting with it. If you are liking my videos, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends.